Hello and welcome to Mrs. Childers' Worksheet Checker. This is just a really quick, nice, easy way for students to self-assess whether they're getting worksheet problems right. So the first thing I want to do is just show you what the student's going to see. And so basically all this is your problem numbers that you've assigned on a worksheet or some kind of activity. And then they're going to type in their answers in this column. So right now I've just set everything to 18 just for a random answer. So if you type in 18 right now, it's going to show up correct. Great work. Keep going. And then if you type in the wrong answer, it's going to tell you you're incorrect. And a hint message will pop up if you put a hint message in there. So that's all the student's going to see. And so it's just a great way to be like, okay, yes, I got this right. I can move on. Or no, I didn't get this right. I'm either going to try again, or that's one that I'm going to talk to the teacher about the next day. So when you first do this, what I would recommend is having this as a template and then just making a copy of it each time you're going to do this with students. And then you just go to the one at the end labeled sheet. I made it to where it didn't say answer key, so the students didn't quite see what was going on, and it was a little bit more mysterious for them. So you're going to just type in whatever problem numbers you've assigned here. So maybe you've only assigned like the odds, right? Like you can change these and it will automatically change on the student side. If you delete, certain rows, it'll do the same thing on the student side. And then you're just going to type in the correct answer for those problems right here. If you want to give certain hints, maybe there's certain tricky things in that problem and you want to give them a hint or something like that, you can do that right there. And then whatever message you want them to see, if they get it correct or incorrect, can go in here. You can change. I use Emojipedia is where I've gotten like the check mark and the X symbol. So you can go in there and get like a smiley face and a frowny face or something like that. If you wanted to change what the students see, feel free. All that will update as you update this sheet. So once you've done that, all you're going to do is you're going to right click and you're going to click hide sheet. It's going to take a second, and then the students won't know where those answers are coming from, but it's still all in there. So that sheet is hidden, but it all still should work. My computer's working a little slow today, but see, so it still works. It's all there. It just the students can't see it unless they know where a hidden sheet would be, and I don't think they would honestly probably know that. I feel like most students are not that spreadsheet savvy, so it's still there. You can always pop it back up if you need to, but it's hidden from this tab view down here, so the students can't see it. I would also recommend deleting my welcome sheet because it kind of spells out how this works. So you can delete that sheet. So then all they're going to see is the student sheet where they can type stuff in. And so I would just assign this to Google Classroom, make a copy for each student, and then they have this to work with on their Google Classroom. And then you're also getting that feedback of, okay, here's how they're doing, which problems did they not get right, things like that. So you can kind of go back and look at that if you wanted to see it. I think that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. You can email me or submit some feedback through my website. I would love to hear from you, or through Teachers Pay Teachers. I also have tons of card sorts, scavenger hunts, all kinds of stuff that you guys might like on my Teachers Pay Teachers store. Have a great day, everybody.